From United Nations Television, this is UN in Action.
The Haitian earthquake was catastrophic for all Haitians and the United Nations. Hundreds of thousands either lost their lives or were injured. Millions remained displaced as they looked for family members in the middle of chaos. The government was crippled, and MINUSTAH, the United Nations Stabilization Mission in Haiti, lost key personnel, including its chief and deputy and the head of police. Its headquarters toppled, burying hundreds. Mullet, acting special representative of the Secretary General, pays his respects to those who suffered during the quake.
We stand here today in solidarity of those who have perished, ordinary Haitian people, as well as our national and international colleagues who worked for the UN in service of peace, human dignity, and prosperity.
Dozens of UN staff are among the dead, and dozens more are still unaccounted for. Some staffers buried deep beneath the rubble were found alive days after the tragedy. Jens Christensen, a United Nations civilian peacekeeper, was pulled out from under the rubble 5 days after the quake. Rescue specialists continue to work painstakingly to save as many as possible. At United Nations headquarters in New York, staff gathered in the main lobby to pay homage to fallen colleagues. They were led by Secretary General Ban Ki-moon in a moment of silence, followed by a candlelight vigil. Meanwhile, the UN is boosting its peacekeeping operations in Haiti. Almost 9,000 troops and a police force of 4,000 strong have been authorized for deployment.
To the Haitian people, I wish to say that we are wholeheartedly with you and that we will provide assistance to you as vigorously as we can. We know that the days to come are difficult, but as it is often said in Haiti, hope sustains.
Despite the setback caused by the earthquake, the United Nations continues to help Haiti and its people in a moment of dire need. Countries around the globe and people everywhere have demonstrated their solidarity. Haiti will survive. This report was prepared by Mary Ferreira for the United Nations.